this is how it's going to look in the end. Hello, welcome. Today we are going to see another beautiful geometrical mandala. We'll start with finding the center of our sheet first. For that, divide your sheet into 4 equal parts. Mark the center. Then here I'm marking every 1 centimeter till 6 centimeters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we'll start with drawing the 6 centimeter circle first. Measure the 6 centimeters and draw an arc, something like this, from the 4 points. Also darkening it up with the ink and drawing an inner lining to it. Then we'll add a 4 centimeter circle. Join the opposite points of the petal to get the reference line. Just joining it. Then from this intersection point, the 4 centimeter intersection point, which we have 4 points here, from there measuring 4 centimeters and drawing an arc of 4 centimeters. Okay, from these 4 newly formed points, get the petals, draw the inner linings. Reduce the length a little more and get the inner structure, something like this. We'll darken up the circles, draw inner linings to them, fill the space up with a few lines. On the top, I'll add another shape like this with the circles in it. Along the sides, we'll fill it up with lines. Here, I'll take the reference line for reference and add spirals facing the opposite directions, darkening up the upper space. Fill this up with inner lining. Then I just add circle in them, adding rounded petals to make it look like a flower. Darkening up the remaining space. You will have to repeat the exact same thing on all the 4 petals. Here I'll draw inner lining, darken it up. Then for the space here we'll add lotus. Okay, expanding. Draw the center petal first and draw the expanding petals around it, finishing it up with a circle. Just darkening up the 4 centimeter circle, adding outer lining to it. On the outside, I'll add another spiral looking something like this. Finish it up with extending a line, adding inner lining to it. This forms a beautiful paisley design. Then we'll fill this up with a few lines on both the sides. On the top, I'll add another petal, expanding lotus once again. So this is how it's going to look in the end. I hope you liked what we have created. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.